Well, how the heck are you doing today? I'm TFoxyBoy. We're gonna be playing some Rock Band 4 today. Just let me get my guitar. I seem to be having some trouble getting this to sync up with my Xbox One. I'm not really sure why. I don't see a sync button. Does it just sync automatically? There's no wire to plug it in. Not. I guess I'll look it up online. I don't. It's fucking ridiculous.
Yeah, look at that bullshit. Through Fire and Flames needs an update. Not Rock Band 4 in general needs an update. Just one song. One song in Rock Band 4 needs an update. We've gotten to that point. You can't even play a song without needing an update.
Alright, so while we're waiting for that Through Fire and Flames massive update of 100 KB, let's look through our other songs, okay? Scrolling through. Aw, son of a bitch! Well, since all these other songs need an update, I guess I'll play a classic. Freebird by Lynyrd Skynyrd.
Today, your performance has shaken my belief in the Jewish people.
Goodbye, ho.